Okay, it'll take some time. So meanwhile, we will discuss few things. What is PPT?
RK sir,
Yes.
I had the doubt basically. So when we were actually checking while shifting the data to
Mm-hmm.
EWM server, so when
Mm-hmm.
we go to SAP APO LOC3 and we check for the data that we have entered in ECC server,
Mm-hmm.
and the naming convention basically you told me na, to go and press F4 and then put an asterisk and then the plant name.
Mm-hmm.
So that basically the plant name got changed to a different naming convention. Is it
Mm-hmm.
because that we were using a like a template of a kind for a creation of a plant, like we are using 1,000, right? So because
Mm-hmm.
of that, the naming convention changes or what?
I told you one topic, if you remember, business system group.
Okay.
Have you remembered the
Yes.
topic of business system group?
Yes. Yes.
What
Yes.
exactly the business system group? Why exactly the business system group will be there?
I don't remember now exactly.
Mm-hmm. So you need to
Yes. Yes.
rewind
I'll
everything,
better.
okay, class by
Okay.
class
Okay.
basis.
Yes. 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 I'll do it. I'll do it.
If you have multiple
Hmm.
systems, like multiple
Yes.
EC systems, suppose, which is carrying the same information, like 1,000 plant in one system and 1,000 plant in the same other system. Okay, it is
Okay.
possible. Means one system you have for USA and one system you have for Europe. And in the Europe you are using 1,000 plant, and in the USA also you are using 1,000 plant. Means ECC two different boxes we have with same plants, same number range of plant, 1,000 and 1,000. And in
Yes.
EWM we have only one box. Now in this case, information we are receiving from Europe plant and information we are receiving from USA plant. Now how EWM identifies that this plant belongs to USA, this plant belongs to Europe. So it depends on the business system group. One baddie will get activated generally. So that baddie, what it will do, if the system is USA system, the naming convention will be USA at the rate 1,000. It is Europe. Means the plant will be in the EWM, how it will shows, it will be your Europe at the rate 1,000. So
Got it.
that is the naming we maintain in the system, and that get activated with technical person, and the system will behave like a data system. However, the data will come into EWM, it will behave like at the date now. The plant or the shipping points, generally plant and shipping points are the two major things. Okay, it will behave like that.
All right. All right. Got it, Ram sir.
So please rewind. Okay, you will forget the topics if you don't go through.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Uh,
Yes, Ram sir.
Ram, only one small clarification. In the supply chain unit, I configured the production plant, but it does not allow to actually. It's saying that duplicate entries there with the different plant config. So I added a
oh,
shipping point in the supply chain unit for the business attributes.
Mm-hmm.
So you were show our class we shown that the production plant it came you were added in the business attribute section.
Mm-hmm.
Automatically it is came. For my case
Mm-hmm.
it is not the by default the values are not came. So I created entirely. So it said only unique values will be allowed in the
Now,
supply
once
chain
you
unit.
distribute, generally
Mm,
it will be production plant, okay? Because you are
mm,
distributing plant. So by default, it will take production plant. When you shift it, it will
mm,
take production plant. And now in the EWM system, you're adding some attributes like it's a warehouse, GR office, something you're adding attribute. It's
mm.
called attribute. Means plant is going to behave like a warehouse. In the EWM, plant is behaving like a warehouse and plant is behaving like a goods receipt office or shipping office. If you see attributes in supply chain unit, you can see all attributes. You're adding those manually. You're telling to EWM system that this is this one. The plant is nothing but a warehouse. The plant is nothing but a GR office. The plant is nothing but a shipping office. All these things you're informing to system, EWM system.
Yes, from here only I could not able to add the production plant.
And that production plant is already there, right? When you
So it is
distribute it, it will go as a production plant only.
yes, yes. Oh, okay, okay. But in the business attribute section, by default, it is came. Supply chain unit, the plant is came automatically for you. For me, it's not came. That no entries are there in supply chain unit.
I don't know what.
Okay, I will send it later. Ram.
No, no. I
Okay.
mean, you are
Mm.
not able to find plant. You mean the supply chain unit, you are not able to find it.
Yeah, yeah, yes, yes. Actually, I go
Ah,
input. Mm,
that's what I'm telling you. You need to go to F4 and you need to keep
mm,
star and you need to
mm.
search with your plant number. Then you'll get it. I don't know what happened to my system. It's not working.
Okay.
One second.
Also, the message log from the CFM2, it is not come. What is it exactly? Okay, I'll ping the details later in WhatsApp.
Yes. Give me 1 second. Okay. We have some time. We will discuss about first theoretically today's class, and let's go practically on the other part. Today's class, we are starting one topic. Okay. So in the last class, we defined the warehouse, we defined the storage sections, we defined the storage bins. So we created. So the enough data we created, the basic data we created for the respective warehouse, we are good with that. Now we need to we should know about the concept of activity areas. Activity area. We should know about this concept called activity area. What is activity area first of all? What is activity area? Always read from right to left, guys. Always read from right to left. Area that you perform the activity. Area. Area means what? The place. The place you will perform the activity. What activity you perform in the warehouse?
Put away, picking,
Very good. You will do
calendar.
Packing,
away.
unpacking, packing,
No, no, no. Put away. Picking. For
in,
now,
internal movements,
physical inventory and
internal movements,
internal movements. So these are the activities. activities. In the warehouse, you'll perform this activity. Majorly, these activities you'll perform. Activities. Who will perform these activities? Who is going to perform these activities?
Warehouse personnel.
The warehouse persons or resources will call generally. The warehouse persons or else resources will call. They will perform these activities. Either put away. What is put away?
Placing the stock into the storage bin.
Placing the stock into
Placing the stock in the
storage.
final destination bin.
Yeah.
Placing the stock in the final destination bin is called as put away. What is picking?
Picking the stock from storage bin.
Picking the stock from the storage bin to the staging area for the customer. Picking the stock from the storage area, storage bin to the respective staging area to deliver to the customer. Here you can see. Here is picking is happening. He is moving to staging area, and from there they are loading to the truck and they are going. So that is called activity. Picking. Picking is activity. If you see here, the activities that you perform in the respective storage types. Activity. What activity you perform here? You will do picking. You will do put away. You will do movements. Internally, you will do movements, and you will do counting of stock. You will do physical counting of the stocks. You will do here. Only here I am telling, okay. Only here in these storage types only. What activities you will do? So picking, put away, physical inventory, and internal movements. These activities you perform in the respective storage types. So activity area. What is activity area then in this case? We know about activities now. These are the activities. What is activity area now?
Storage types.
These activities are taking place.
Sorry?
Storage type where these activities are.
Storage type.
Storage type. Generally. Then what is storage type then? You're telling activity area is nothing but a storage type.
It's a physical space.
Storage type is a physical space generally. Storage type is a physical. Physically, we can see storage type where we will store the goods. Then what is activity area?
Physically a space where we do the activity.
Perform the different task.
Storage type is nothing but a physical space that you perform the activities generally. That you perform put away, picking, everything that you perform the storage type only. Activity area. The area which you perform the activity. Generally we will call as a logical. This is a logical storage type generally. A logical storage type that will group, that will act, logical storage type that activities will be performed. Logical storage type means if you have here, if you have, let me go in deep. Can you see this storage type now? Can you see this storage type? This storage type, what all activities we can perform in this storage type?
Put away, picking.
Picking and put away, physical inventory, and movement, stock movement.
So you can perform the activities. How system knows that you can perform those activities? How system knows that you can perform these activities? Can I stop performing the picking from here? Can I make system to stop performing picking here?
Yes.
Possible or not?
Yes,
Everyone?
possible.
Yes, possible.
Yes, it is possible.
I can tell the system not to pick from here. How it is possible?
We don't make any various task for this area.
How system? Will you do manually?
By blocking the bin.
Maybe we have to
No,
block
no,
the.
no, 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 no blocking, nothing. So, okay, let's go in deep. Okay, if I want to perform put away, if I want to perform put away in this area, in this case, we know that activities are there actually. We know that some activities are there. Let me copy this picture. Let me go here. We know that we'll do some activity in here. Okay, let me keep here. So I would like to stop some activity in this place. Now this storage type, if I want to do some activities, systematically, the activity should be assigned to storage type or not. What all activities that you perform in the respective storage type, those activities should be assigned to the storage type or not.
Yes, it should be.
You're getting my point? So you know that this is storage type. And you also know that there are a lot of activities that you do in the storage type, like picking, put away, everything. You know manually. How system knows that the storage type picking we can do, put away we can do, physical inventory we can do, or internal movements we can do. How system knows that the storage type behavior? We need to assign, right? We need to assign the activities to storage type, right? What all activities we can perform in the storage type, we need to assign the activities to the storage type or not.
So we are supposed to assign the functionalities that you are saying to the particular storage type.
Yes. How will you assign that activities to storage type?
Do we need to
How it's
configure these things to a particular
exactly,
storage type?
exactly. Actually, I want to show in system, but system is not opening. That's the reason I'm trying to explain theoretically. Okay. Meanwhile, up to system works. So how to assign those activities to storage type? Basically through activity area. Through activity area, we will assign the activities to the respective storage type. This storage type is having one activity area. I can tell you here. What is the storage type? What
High
is the
rack.
storage type? Hyrax. Let's have some name, okay? Hyrax. HR01. So I need to have an activity area also, right? I need to create one activity area. This is physical storage type. I need to have a logical, right? Because I need to assign the activities to the storage type. I cannot assign directly. What all activities that is performing in the respective area, that I need to define through activity area only. That I need to assign through activity area only. Okay. Now HR01 is storage type. Now can I create HR01 as activity area? Same naming. This is storage type, this is activity area. Both are same only. This is storage type, this is activity area. But this is the physical location, this is the logical location. That's it. This is the physical location, this is the logical location. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this one I am creating HR02, a storage type of HR02 and HR02 activity area. And this one HR03 storage type and HR03 activity area. HR03 activity area. Clear? I have three storage types: HR01, HR02, HR03. Now tell me about this one, guys. Okay. Now can I create like this one? What I need to create this one? CB01 can I create? Storage type, conveyor belt. Conveyor belt storage type can I create now? CB01 ST. Activity area can I create as CB01 only? Am I clear? What about staging area? Can I create SG01 for staging area? SG01 for activity area? Can I?
Yeah, yes.
Doors. Can I create storage type as door, staging area? I mean storage type door. Can I create activity area? Door only. Each and every storage type. Each and every storage type in the warehouse will have the activity area. We'll be assigning activity area. We'll have activity area. Each and every storage type. I can tell in a deeper way, each and every storage bin will have an activity area. Each and every storage bin will have an activity area assigned. Because where exactly you'll perform the activities generally? Where exactly you'll perform the activities?
In activity area.
No, in storage bin.
Storage type. Bin. In storage type or
bin.
storage bin generally. In
Yeah.
storage type, first answer is storage bin first of all. The activities will perform in the storage bin. And the storage bin is there in the storage type. And logically you're telling it is activity area. Logical terminology is activity area because you're performing some activities. But where exactly you're performing activity? Performing the activity in the respective storage bin. Because you're doing picking from the respective bin. You're doing picking, you're doing put away, you're doing internal movements, you're doing physical inventory. You're taking place in the respective bin. You're taking place in the respective bin. That bin is having how many activities? That bin is having how many activities? Through activity area, we'll assign all the activities to the respective storage type. So indirectly, we're assigning to all bins. We're assigning to all bins. The activity area and the activity we're assigning to all bins in the respective storage type. The respective storage types.
So Ram, activity area which we will assign in a storage type, so it will not applicable for all the bins that
It will
respective
be
to.
applicable, but it will be applicable, but still we can avoid. Still we can suppose. Tell me one thing. This is one storage type, right? This is one storage type. In this storage type, I would like to assign activity area up to only here, all up to here, except to this two racks and these two levels. Except this one, I would like to assign my activity area to everything. Can I assign it or not?
Yes.
So there is one option will be there in EWM system. We can give the bin range. For this activity area, we can give the bin range. Bin range from here to bin range we can give up to here. We can escape these two. We can skip these two. If you skip this two, what will happen? If I skip this two, if I skip this one to assign the activity area, what will happen?
These bins won't show. Or
These
We
bins will
cannot do
show.
any activity.
We cannot do any activity. Very good answer. We cannot do any activity in the respective bins. Means if you don't assign this activity area, which is linked to activities, I can keep it like this if you're not understanding. This activity area is having activities.
With one storage type, we can do attach multiple activity areas.
Yes, possibilities. This activity area is having activities like picking, away, internal movements, and inventory. If I don't assign this activity area to the respective storage type, suppose if I miss this one, if I miss to assign this range of bins, sorry. Just leave it, that's fine. If I miss to assign to this range of bins, then system won't allow these activities to be performed in this storage bins. Only up to here, system will allow to perform all the activities, but it will not allow to perform the activities of this one. System will show the bins, but we cannot perform any activity. System will not create any warehouse task to this one. System will not create any picking task. System will not create any internal warehouse task. System will not create any put away task. System will not create any task. When the activity area is not assigned to respective storage bin, when the activity area is not assigned to respective storage bin, then system will not create any warehouse task with respect to that. Even replenishment is also one activity. Replenishment.
The activity area must for the storage type to do further transactions.
Activity area is a must for the storage bin to perform the activity. I can tell.
Okay.
Must for the storage bin, not for the storage type, because we can control this at the storage bin level also. So very good to tell that it's storage bin level, not at the storage type level.
Okay, then in that case, we no need to assign even storage type also, no, Ram? Then
You need to assign. You need to give the storage type. You need to give the storage type, and also you need to give the range of the storage type. When you give the storage type, system will give one more option. Do you want to assign to full storage type, or you want to assign to only respect to storage bins range? How we are giving the bin ranges? You're creating a template, right?
yes.
Okay. When you create a template, you're giving a sequence, right? Bin 1 to bin 1 means AL1, AL stack levels, right? AL stack levels. You're creating first tail, first stack, first level to last tail, last stack, and last level, right? In this case, I am escaping these two levels. Means what? I am missing these two levels. I can give up to here to here. I can give the bin ranges, bin 1 to bin 190. I can give this range to the activity area when I am assigning to the respective storage type. There is an option for that, okay, in SAP. It will be good if I have SAP to show you. There's some issue from the backend, okay.
Ram sir,
Yeah.
in
So,
which case do
Um,
we keep the bins empty or we don't
which
assign it?
place?
In which cases do we not assign the particular bins to have any
Mhm.
functionalities? In which case do